Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PC or laptop to your mobile hotspot. First of all, as you can see on the screen, I have my PC and my mobile. So on the mobile, make sure that you are connected to your 4G, and at the same time you should make sure that your hotspot is activated simply by clicking on it, and it is now discoverable. On the settings you will find your mobile data active, and on the other side you will find your personal hotspot's Wi-Fi password. So this is the password used for your hotspot. You can change it whenever you want, and here you can allow others to join your hotspot. Also, you will find the name to your network, which is mentioned here OP for me. So as you can see in this area, this is OP. So when I try to search for it on my PC, it should be very easy to find. And now what you should do is pretty simple. You simply have to go to your PC. So let's close our mobile. And now go to your Wi-Fi where you connect to your Wi-Fi, and here you will find OP. So here I can click and connect to the Wi-Fi, and here simply write down the password that you've seen. So in my case it is from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then simply click on next, and just like that I am now connected, and the connection is well done and secured. That was it for today's video guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.